Okay, boys, it's the trade. Fuck. The first trade recap back after a break because my mental was kind of scuffed, so I've been working on it, finding my strategy and all that. So, yeah, let's get into it. I made $260 today. As you can tell, that's a very, very, very steep decrease from um, my last week where I was making 5,000. I blew all those fundeds. I have one funded left, and it's my first funded I actually ever passed. It's kind of cool, so yeah, let's get into it. Yep, PNL 260.60. I did request a payout on this yesterday, so I'm at 4 total payouts. 1,000 each. Let's go into it. So this is a trade I took on my evals. I bought five more evals with the payout. But okay, I don't get this little. I was so tired. I had 2 hours of sleep. Then I was up for like 20 some hours. Worked a 12-hour shift. So I did not wake up in time. But I don't get this trade. I just saw that's super nice. So basically, my new strategy, not new strategy, but kind of like the new thing I'm looking at is making sure the candle that taps into the fair value gap closes above. So we go here. So boom. I'll show you on this one. This is what I kind of entered the trade I was in. We have this. Boom. This candle taps into it. Then this one closes above this series of ones. So yeah, like that. I'll show you some other ones I like. And just it's based on the drawn liquidity. So this one's obvious. Asia highs. Yeah, Asia highs or London highs could targeted, but take this trade. I'll show you a trade that would be bad. Well, that'd be good. I mean, that I would have took maybe. So this close up down below. You know the target's right there. That would be the bad thing about it. These have a strong drawn liquidity. So this one, boom. Obviously, this is afterwards. So I mean, maybe I didn't see this in the market. Boom, tap into it. So up. Then you could enter off. I could have entered off of the closure above this candle or above, this candle. This closure above this candle and the wick. Or I could have waited till this against the change of character. Only problem with this would be the risk to rewards. Boom. Target. Oh. Whoa. I'm gonna say this. Or even this. Anything here. This is still 2.35. But if I wanted to clear it, it's going to do that. But bottom of this. 2.23. Target. Boom. 2.5. 2.7. So yeah. But yeah, obviously that didn't work out. Even this trade's pretty good with my strategy. Boom. Closure above. I could enter right here. I know it's fucking far, but yeah, target. Boom. It's 1-1. Target. The swing low. It's crazy. Only 3.35. Yeah, so big. 70 points. I think. I don't know how to look at the points. Okay, well, here's the trades I actually took. Okay, boom. So I woke up, I saw this, already tapped into it, so I was like kind of mad I missed out. I was waiting for a re-entry. But my drawn liquidity was lower right here. So I didn't really care about getting the retap. That's why this is so high up though. But just to be safe. Yeah. Where did I enter at exactly? This is the exact point I entered at. I think I didn't enter right here. I think I maybe entered right here. That'd make more sense. Maybe put a limit order right there. But yeah, it was more discretionary anyways because I saw this already happen and we had this new neck low. But yeah, targeted New York low. I'm not sure. I think I actually might have entered just ran these downwards candles. I'm gonna be honest. Probably not the best trade of mechanical wise, but I've been trading my discretionary, and I already saw this. So yeah, maybe I think I did enter here. Boom, targeting London lows for 2.0 R. Risk to reward, not too crazy. I saw. Yeah, this is my Apex accounts. Boom, and then entered off of that. Yeah, this was really weird because I had to enter a bunch of these off of uh I have my trade syncer wasn't working, so I just entered all five on 5 different accounts. But yeah, so this like one's right here, one's like right here, one's right here, one's right here, one yeah. But I saw it go down. I saw it rejecting, so I market ordered. I did right here. Then went for full strategy, which I could have, which I probably should have. But yeah, I got edged a little bit. Boom, took out. I entered with 4 micros. Took out 2 right here, and then 4 right here. I think there's one with this line. I'm pretty sure it's at this line. But yeah, played out pretty good. It's still dumping. Took out my other drawn liquidity too. These are just hourly lows from last week, I believe. But yeah, took out that liquidity. Didn't take out that one, but yeah, then it's just shooting up. Whoa, holy diddy candles. Am I right? Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, Wait, no. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. That's why, yeah, I don't even know what's happening. I don't know what's happening in the market. I don't know. But, boys, we're back. I got these 5 new email. I'm going to try passing. Yeah, I'm trying playing it slow. Obviously, I'm just going to trade these pretty slowly. Because right now, it's like, my issue is, when I'm on the eval, I can pass the eval pretty easy. But as soon as I get to funded, it's like, okay, I need to make... You build the buffer, and then I have to make a little bit more to get a payout. That's the issue. So I'm like risking a little bit more. I'm like, I could build a buffer quicker, risk a little bit more, because if it's like a 40% consistency rule and you have to make 3K, it's like do 1,200 a trade and pass it in 3 days, or pass it in 3 days and get a payout. But I usually risk 100 for 2R, so boom. 600 usually. See, I'm getting super impatient. That would take 5 days, which is, I mean, that's only 2 days more than 3. I don't know why I'm tripping about it, but yeah. So yeah, that's gonna conclude this recap. I think. Let's see if there's a good entry on here. Damn, not even a 1-minute entry for me. Yeah, here'd be, I guess, up here. I mean, I wouldn't want to take it because how freaking extended it is now, but I have the draw. Okay, let's conclude the video, boys. I am gonna post this. I'm gonna get off and do some stuff. I don't know what yet. I kind of want to back test a little bit, maybe for like 20-30 minutes, and kind of need to take a nap. I'm so tired right now, boys. Let's get it.